explain based on period and based on groups. So already studied in lower class periods and groups. Okay, so now once again that is remember this period. So period mean that is it move from left to right, and group mean that is top to bottom. So in period, that is D block elements started in fourth period. So that means this one hydrogen first period, lithium second period, sodium third period. So this one potassium. So this is the fourth period. So now the first element scandium that is present in fourth period. At the same time, so not only for this, so this is the fourth period. So next fifth period, sixth period and seventh period. So same way in according to group wise. So this is group number 1, this one group number 2, so this one group number that is 3. So 3, 4, 5, so 6, 7 up to this one 12. So position mean D block according to that is group that is 4 to 7. According to that is the period that is 4 to 7. According to group that is 3 to 12, that is present in the D block elements. So this D block elements, that is the transition elements. It is also called as transition elements. Okay, so now each that is the series contain 10 elements. So now I that is give the practice to how to read this element. So all that is maybe if you studied in lower classes 2, that is the symbol mean the first letter want to write in capital and second letter want to write in small letter. So now the first element in D block is that is the scandium, Sc, and next one Ti titanium, V vanadium, Cr chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and the zinc, the last one. Okay, same way for here next series. So this one 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series are first transition series, second transition series, third transition series and fourth transition series. Okay, so in third transition series, so first element that is lanthanum. So next one that is the hafnium. So lanthanum 2, that is mercury. So here also that is the 10 elements. So this is a transition element. But here within this that is the lanthanum, that is here contain 15 element. But in the periodic table they are not allotted the space inside the periodic table. They are allotted the space in the bottom of the periodic table. So here that is lanthanum 2, that is the lutetium. It is inner transition elements, but lanthanum that is properties it is similar to the D block. So La2 mercury D block. Same way for Ac actinium. So this one etc. because it is not that is allotted the symbol that is clearly. So according to IUPAC that is number given. Okay, so this one see later. So Ac2 that is the Cn, that is the Copernicum. So this one also that is the D block element, but in Ac here that is contain that is 89.2, that is 1 not, that is the 3. So here the element that is it comes under the inner transition element. Okay, so now discussing the position of the D block elements. Once again I recall. So according to period, so that is a 4th to, that is 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. In according to group, that is 3 to 12. It is present center of the periodic, that is the table. That is next another one that is an important word, that is transition elements. Why we are using this word transition? It translate from this one, that is the S block, that is the highly electropositive element. So this one for that is a highly that is the negative element. So transmit from high, that is electropositive to, and high electronegatives. So this point that is comes under the position of the periodic table. Okay, so next topic.